As a public adjuster, you know the importance of advocating for your clients, especially when they're facing disputes over insurance claims. I'll explain some tips on how to navigate matching exclusions within insurance policies. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting in your career, this is important information to make sure your clients are treated fairly. A matching exclusion is a provision in the insurance policy that allows the insurance company to deny a claim that includes a mismatch of materials. For example, if there were two different colors for a particular siding board, the insurance company wouldn't be obligated to ensure that there was a matching color for each elevation of siding. Insurance companies pay out in two separate ways. One is what's called actual cash value, or ACV. Actual cash value is the actual value of what you had prior to your loss. That would mean the roof on your actual house. You get what the value of that roof is. The other way that an insurance company pays out is what's called replacement cost value, or RCV. Replacement cost value is the value of your roof plus what's called depreciation. Depreciation would be basically like the age of your roof. So the replacement cost value is the actual amount that it would cost to actually repair or replace that roof. If you have a policy that allows the insurance company to pay on replacement cost value, it can affect a matching exclusion in this way. One is to pay under replacement cost value, the insurance company has to pay what's called like, kind, and quality materials. What that means is that they have to provide a material that was substantially similar to the material you had pre-loss. So if it's a replacement cost policy, the insurance carrier is required to provide you with the same kind of materials that you would have had if you hadn't had the loss. Sometimes the materials you had prior to the loss are no longer produced, no longer manufactured. So in that circumstance, the insurance carrier can't allow you to keep one pre-loss material and put a new post-loss material that isn't like, kind, and quality. Some courts have interpreted the provision that the insurance company provide like, kind, and quality materials as effectively being matching coverage. My advice for public adjusters who are finding them in a situation where the claim has been denied per a matching exclusion is to take a look at the policy, see what the language of the matching exclusion says, and look at what the facts are, whether there is a situation where there's a mismatch between an outmoded product and a pre-loss product, or if there's some kind of cosmetic mismatch. And then I would contact an attorney to see what your client's rights are. As a public adjuster, you play a critical role in safeguarding the interests of policyholders during an insurance claim process. Reach out to our team if you need help to make sure your clients get the compensation they rightfully deserve.